Hi, I am Sydney Baumgartner, and I am the specialist for firefighters here at TAC First. So we have identified that firefighters have a lot of muscle strains due to their job and things that you do in work and training. And especially today, I'm going to talk about the hip. So firefighting requires a lot of lifting activities. So when you're going and lifting objects and people, it is important to lift with proper mechanics, and we would help you learn those new mechanics in this program. As well as firefighters do a lot of walking, running, jumping, climbing, and crawling activities, and that can also cause different strains in the body, especially at the hips. So a good way to prevent injury to the hip is general stretching as well as other activities. But today I'm going to focus on stretching just to give you a glimpse of what we touch on in our program. So I have included some videos of stretching instructions to show you what you would be getting if you bought the full subscription to our program. So the first stretch you're going to do is the hamstring stretch. Your hamstring is right here. So you're going to get a belt or a strap or something that you have, even a towel in the firehouse. I'm using a jump rope, and you put it around your foot like that, and then you lay on your back and have one leg stretch out and raise it as far as you can go. I like to have people start down here and then bring it up, trying to use your muscles in your hip, and then stop when your knee starts to bend. If you can get all the way up, great. Mine is stretching a lot right here. And then you're going to hold and then bring it back down. And do both. The next stretch I'm going to have you do is the psoas stretch. So I want you to get in a lunge position, and you can put your hands on your hips or just have them hanging down, whatever is easiest for you. And then you're just going to bend forward until you feel that stretch. So it might be easier actually to see it like this. So you don't want to do anything like this. You just want to bend forward, trying to keep a good posture. See how my hips aren't doing anything crazy like that. Bend forward until you feel that stretch right along here. And then once you get to that stretch, hold, and then bring it back. So the final stretch that we are going to talk about is a calf stretch against the wall. So I just want you to put your foot back and lean forward until you feel a stretch. Now you should be feeling the stretch right here in this top portion of your calf, because your knee is straight and you're just going to lean into the wall. I also want you to bend your knee and do the same thing, but the stretch should be more down here. So you have two muscles that make up the calf, your soleus and your gastrocs. So you're going to do it both ways to make sure you get the gastrocs up here and the soleus more down here. So make sure you really feel those stretches in both positions and hold it in good places in both positions.